A taste of the Middle East, Basbousa's sweet legacy. Basbousa, a beloved Middle Eastern dessert, has been enjoyed for centuries. This semolina cake, soaked in fragrant syrup, is a testament to the region's rich culinary heritage. Its origins can be traced back to ancient Egypt. Basbousa holds a special place in the hearts and homes of many Middle Eastern families. It is a symbol of hospitality, a sweet treat offered to guests with warmth and generosity. Every bite is a taste of tradition. The allure of Basbousa lies in its simplicity and exquisite flavor. The semolina cake, moist and slightly crumbly, is beautifully complemented by the sweet, aromatic syrup. It is a dessert that transcends generations, enjoyed by young and old alike, characteristic of many Middle Eastern desserts. Crafting the syrup a sweet embrace. The syrup is an integral part of Basbousa, infusing the cake with moisture and sweetness. To begin, we combine sugar and water in a saucepan over medium heat. As the sugar dissolves, we stir gently, ensuring that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Once the sugar has completely dissolved, we bring the mixture to a boil. Then, we reduce the heat to low and allow the syrup to simmer for about 5 minutes. This allows the syrup to thicken slightly. A few minutes before removing the syrup from the heat, we add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. The lemon juice adds a refreshing tanginess that balances the sweetness of the syrup. After removing the syrup from the heat, we set it aside to cool. As it cools, the syrup will continue to thicken. It will be ready to pour over our baked basbousa. Baking the basbousa from batter to golden perfection. Now let's turn our attention to the basbousa batter. In a large bowl, we combine the fine semolina flour, granulated sugar, and baking powder. We mix these dry ingredients together to ensure that they are evenly distributed. Next, we add the melted unsalted butter to the dry ingredients. The melted butter adds richness and moisture to the batter. We mix until the butter is well incorporated and the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. In a separate bowl, we whisk together the eggs, plain yogurt, and vanilla extract. Once combined, we gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, mixing gently until a smooth batter forms. Finally, we stir in a tablespoon of rose water, which will infuse the basbousa with its signature floral aroma. The rose water adds a delicate and exotic touch to this classic Middle Eastern dessert.